Okay, quickly turn on your cameras.
Ma'am. And is it okay if
Only for today, okay? And from tomorrow, I want your cameras to be on.
yeah, sure, ma'am, sure, inshallah.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as I said, we had finished with our basic comprehension two question types, that is our factual information questions and then negative factual information questions. Correct? We have finished with that already. Now we'll move ahead with our next question types in basic comprehension. First, we are going to go through vocabulary questions, which are supposed to be the easiest. Then we'll look at reference questions, and then we will also look at sentence simplification questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Vocabulary questions, you already know. Over here you will be given a word which will be highlighted in your sentence in the whole passage, and when you get a question, you will be asked the meaning of that word in the context that is it is being used. Now understand this: in English, when you use any word, that one word could have multiple meanings. Correct? So, what we
Yeah,
need
ma'am.
to understand over here is the context in which it is being used and not the meaning of the word only. Because, see, one word could be used in different contexts in different sentences. So, we need to understand in which context it is being used in that particular sentence, and accordingly, we should try to choose the option that we are trying to select. Okay, now when you select the option, it is also very important that you do not spend a lot of time in this question type, because here the questions that you will see will be also very easy. Now over here they will highlight the word and say the word say x in the passage is closest in meaning to, and they will be giving you four options over there, or say they give you a phrase and they will be giving you four options over there. Correct? So you just have to look at those four options and select the answer quickly. Yeah? If you feel confused, usually the words which are given are supposed to be easier in this, but say if you still get confused over here, the best thing that you can do is in the sentence in which it is being used, the option that you select, try to insert that word in that sentence and see if it makes sense to you. Okay, don't just select the meaning of the word because you just feel that's the closest its meaning to. Okay, don't just do that. Make sure when you use it, when you select it, you are able to substitute the word in the phrase also. Yeah, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's quickly try doing this exercise. We have done this exercise before, but let's try doing it again. Done?
Done, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the answer.
The
And it's
answer is
B.
B, movement. Very easy, right? It shouldn't take
yes.
even 10 seconds for you to answer that question. Even if you look at the word locomotion, even if you don't know the exact meaning of it, the word motion should give you the idea of what the word means. Correct?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the correct option. Try this one quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the answer.
Option A.
It's A.
Lose the ability to move. Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Try this one. I'll give you 30 seconds for this. Okay? Try it quickly.
Yeah, ma'am. Just when we're done.
Pranjali, are you also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me your answer.
B.
B.
Yes.
Increase.
Yes.
Okay. What was your answer, Iftikhar?
Yes, ma'am. It's B.
B. Okay.
Increase.
Yes, because
Yeah.
increase is closest in meaning to augment. From the context, you can see that augment has some impact on knowledge. You know that augment has some impact on knowledge. So, when a body is dissected, its structure are cut apart in order to observe their physical attributes and their relationship to one another, which shows that they learn more about the body through dissection. Correct? So, that's how we get
Yes.
the meaning of it. Understood? Now, try the last one quickly. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me your answer.
Ma'am, it's A, ma'am.
A. Okay. Pranjali, what about you?
Ma'am, I'm confused between A and B.
A and B.
A,
Deterioration and damage.
A and
Okay.
B.
Your answer is A. Because realize is closest in meaning to perceive in this situation. Okay. No, 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 wait. The explanation is given incorrect over here. I might have not put the correct explanation. The word A is correct over here. Okay. Don't get confused as of now. I'll put the explanation of it in the WhatsApp chat later. Now, next, vocabulary questions are easy, right? Any confusion, any doubts in them?
No, ma'am.
Oh, no, ma'am.
Okay,
It's fine.
they are very very easy. Okay, just you have to understand in the context in which it is being used, and you have to select the options accordingly. Okay, now over here the next we have is reference questions. In reference questions, you will be given a reference of something where usually, of course, the pronouns will be used, and you will be given a reference. So basically, you have to identify the relationship between ideas which are being mentioned in the passage and what it is being referred to. Okay, so usually you need to understand the relationship of the word or a phrase which is being used over here, and you have to understand its antecedent. Antecedent is nothing but the main subject that it is referring to. Okay, they will mostly use relative pronouns or relative phrases over here, which they are calling it here as reference phrases, and you have to understand to what subject it is being referred to. Okay, that's what you need to understand. Now, usually sets may have one reference question, but sometimes they might have none also. Okay, so it might be 1 or 0 in a passage. Yeah, your question will always look like the word X in the passage refers to what, and usually that word is a pronoun. Yeah, that's what you need to identify what it is being referred to. Here, the reference questions will be about a pronoun. What do you mean by pronoun? What do we mean by pronoun? Any idea? Guys, just
Yes, ma'am.
give me 1 second, okay? Just 1 second, 1 second. Really sorry, really sorry. Okay, pronouns are nothing but the words that we use to replace the nouns. Okay, now what do we mean by nouns? Nouns are nothing the words that we use to talk about names of people, places, things, ideas. For example, if I say student, it's a noun. If I say class, it's a noun. If I say laptop or a PPT, it's a noun again. If I say Pune or India, again these are nouns. Okay. Now, to replace the nouns, instead of using them again and again in the sentence, we use pronouns. For example, I can say Pune is a great city. It is in Maharashtra. Okay, now I am using the word it to replace the word Pune. So that phrase becomes, that word it becomes pronoun. Okay, so in these types of questions you might be asked it, what is it being referred to in the passage? So of course it's being referred to Pune. Correct. Now along with the word it, you have to also remember that if it is referring to a singular noun, then it should be singular. If it's referring to plural noun, then it should be plural. So if it's referring to a plural noun, then you will use they instead of it. Okay, all those things you should remember. Of course, don't worry, we'll go through the rules of pronouns also because they are very very important for us, but we won't be going through them right now. We'll go through them later. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's try doing this first exercise, and if you face any issue, then we'll discuss on it. Don't worry. Try doing it quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Iftikar.
Yeah, when it's done, it's D, postal service.
Okay. Pranjali, what's your answer?
Yes, ma'am. The last.
Very good, correct. Okay, so it's being referred to postal service. Okay, so now the options that they will be giving you, they will usually be very confusing. Okay, so make sure you are able to identify it properly. Okay, next passage. Try doing it quickly.
Yeah. This purpose.
Done, ma'am.
Problems.
Iftikar, are you also done?
Remember the second was. Yes, ma'am. This is
Any
C,
correct
ma'am.
answers?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
C.
Yes, ma'am. C.
Pranjali, very
C.
good. C. Okay. This purpose. That's what they are using, the phrase this purpose over here.
Okay.
Okay. Read the passage quickly, then I'll show you the question.
Yeah.
Tell me once you're done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Tell me your answers.
Yeah, ma'am. Just you mean a
Okay.
gist of
Sorry. Sorry.
the?
Sorry. I didn't show you the question. Sorry. My bad. Here is your question, and again you have the passage also in front of you.
Yeah, ma'am. D, ma'am.
D.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pranjali,
This
what's
is
your answer?
frustrating.
C.
C. The last two decades. Okay. The option is A,
Okay.
because the word diffusion is another word for spread. Okay. And the specific spread to which this diffusion is referring to is the spread of technology. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Is being used over here, this diffusion. Yeah. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Read
Yeah.
this quickly and try doing the question. Try attempting the question also.
It's actually that unless people have access to the world beyond the yes, ma'am. This easy. Yes, ma'am. Sit down. Yeah, it's B, ma'am.
B.
Yeah, B. People.
Okay, Pranjali, what's your
Yes, B, ma'am.
B?
Yeah.
Okay, that's correct, because pronoun they refers to people over here. Okay, which is in the same sentence but comes before the pronoun referent. Yeah, clear? Any
Yes,
confusion
ma'am.
till now? Anything that you guys did not understand?
No, it's fine.
It's
No, ma'am.
easy, right? Very good. Now, next we have sentence simplification questions. Okay, in sentence simplification questions, we have to recognize and create accurate phrases of information from the text. Now, usually you will get one set, one question in your set. Okay, but you won't get more than one question. Now, over here, one sentence will be highlighted, something like this. Okay, one sentence will always be highlighted, and the question will always look like this: which of the following best expresses the essential information in the highlighted sentence in the passage? Incorrect answer choices change the meaning in important ways or leave out essential information. Now, the option choices that they will show you will be little confusing. When I say little, not actually little, they will be highly confusing. But what you have to maintain over here is that the sentence that you select does not misrepresent any kind of information, or distort any kind of information which is given in the sentence, the highlighted sentence, as well as the paragraph, as well as the whole passage. Okay, along with that, you should also make sure that the sentence that you're selecting, it does not leave out any important information from the highlighted sentence. Okay, the
Yes, ma'am.
sentences are going to be similar, but what you will have to mainly understand is if the sentence is making sure that all the information that is in the highlighted sentence are being used in your option that you select as an answer also. Understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, let's try doing the first one. Here you have your passage first. Read the passage, then I will show you the question. You can take some extra time over here, okay? I don't have any problem. As these are
Okay.
little confusing questions, here you can spend 60 seconds, 90 seconds with these questions, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look at the question now. Question in the options, of course. If you want, like, I'll take you back to the passage, okay? Don't worry. Just go through the options.
Yeah.
Now, just like negative factual information question, you will cross check this answer
That was
thrice,
it. For you.
okay? Three times.
So I should write out this.
Ma'am, can you show the passage?
Sure. Here you go.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Cross check once more.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, tell me your answer.
Ma'am, it's A.
A. Pranjali, what is your
Yes.
answer?
B.
B.
Yes.
The option is A. Read the explanation quickly.
Okay. Okay. Understood, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
This is increasing evident that there is that large chunks of material were orbiting in the solar system at the time that the spaceship transformed. In the large Yes, ma'am. Done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There is some more parts of it. Just read it quickly.
Ma'am, this is whole paragraph is like
Yes.
sentence simplification.
Sorry? Yeah, yeah, it's for sentence simplification. One second, one second. Yeah. The whole paragraph is for it.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Look at the options quickly.
Ma'am, yes, this is B.
Okay, cross check with the sentence quickly.
Yeah, there's increasing the lung putting in yes, sir.
Pranjali.
Yes, ma'am. B.
B, are you sure? Both of you are sure?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, because the main point is that there is increasing evidence that proves that large chunks of materials were in orbit at the time the terrestrial planets formed. Correct? So that becomes your
Yes.
correct option to select over here. Okay,
Okay.
quickly one more.
Yeah, the most dynamic climate one can almost Olympic ones with the temperature large and submit that tower more than 3 times higher than the temperature large and submit that towers more than sound planets 3 planets than the tallest mountains. Yes, ma'am.
Pranjali, are you also done? Okay, here you have your four options.
Can I see it again, the passive ma'am again, please?
Yeah, sure, sure. Why not?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, have you
Yes,
select
ma'am.
go through the options again and select your answer quickly.
Yeah. Name, just a second. Can we go back to the...
Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, done, ma'am.
Done? Pranjali,
Yeah,
what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the options that you have selected.
Option
ma'am.
C.
C. C.
C?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes,
The
ma'am. C.
correct answer
Huh?
is A over here.
Oh my god.
So, other sentences or other options, they just showed you the extra information about the main point.
Okay, it's either the... okay, ma'am.
Okay? The main
Yeah,
information
yeah,
that
yeah.
was highlighted, it did not show that information. Okay?
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I got. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So, don't go with something just because it is mentioned in the passage or mentioned in the highlighted sentence. Make sure the main point is being highlighted. Okay? Last one.
Okay, you burn a variety of fuels. Really, for propagation, heating, and generation of electricity to produce. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah, ma'am.
Here you have the options. Go through the options and then I'll select you the then I'll show you the
Yeah.
passage again.
Come again. Your passive, ma'am.
Yes, here you go.
A variety of fuels. Yes, ma'am.
Pranjali,
Yes, ma'am. Done.
done?
Yeah.
Okay. Select the option quickly.
Option B.
B.
Yes.
Iftikhar, what about you? What do you think is the correct option here?
Yeah, 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 but, ma'am, all require, all require some, ma'am, D.
D. Cross check your answer once again, quickly.
You burn variety of fuels, uh, okay, to produce energy for the production of heating and for the transportation. Okay, okay, ma'am. Again, go to the result.
Yeah.
Yeah, all energy. Yeah, A. Okay, sir. Yes. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
A is okay, ma'am.
A. Pranjali,
Yeah.
what's your option?
B.
The option is D.
Okay.
All energy is used. Eruption is the only varies from. Let's see all of this. And all recoveries. Okay.
Okay, look at the option quickly again. Look at the highlighted sentence, I mean.
Yeah, we burn variety of fuels.
Sorry, one second. Uh, yeah. Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. A variety of fuel is used to produce energy for transportation, heating, and regulation. Okay.
So it is said that, right, that you should not miss out on any essential information, and the sentence that you select, it should not change the essential meaning of the sentence. Remember that, guys, okay? Don't make such mistakes. Understood?
Yes.
Now, of
Yes,
course,
ma'am.
I
Yes.
want to share some extra assignments also with you guys, which you will do for homework. I won't be sharing the answers to them. You will share the answers with me, and then I'll tell you the correct answers to it. Okay?
Okay.
Understood? Okay.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
will stop with the practice questions over here. We are quickly going to do some writing practice now. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Just
Yes,
give me
ma'am.
one